Hello everyone, I am back again with another unboxing video. Today I am going to do unboxing of Clikon Active Blender, which has a unique feature of ice crushing function. In this video I am going to show you how to operate this Active Blender, and also I am going to prepare a milkshake. So let's start this video. Active Blender by Clikon.
So guys, I will quickly unbox this Clikon Active Blender. First, here it comes the main jar. It is almost 1.6 liter. This is the mini jar which comes with a packed one. This is the cover of the main jar. And now this is the main unit, which powers from 0 to 3. There is one button given to add the smoothness to our shake. There is one user manual available. You can just have a look over this one, which is available in 2 languages, Arabic and English. There is one warranty card available inside. It comes with 2 years of warranty. So friends, let's proceed with the milkshake. I have decided to make banana milkshake with honey and dates. So guys, let's start this one. I will add pieces of banana with some dates. To that I will add the ice cubes. And then I will add dry fruits, which I like this one. Then the milk. For flavor, you can add a little bit of honey. Just close the jar. Start the grind. This is on first power. I will press the button. So guys, I will add some smoothing to this one. You can see I will increase the power. Now it's on high power. I think so it's almost done now. I will just pour into the glass. This blender has the features of 1.6 liter blender jar, wet and dry grinder jar, high quality 350 watts copper motor, automatic overload cutoff, overheat protection. There are various advantages in this one: convenient vibration free performance, safe automatic cutoff and overheat protection, shock resistant ABS plastic, separate easy to clean parts, long lasting rust proof design. And let's taste this one.
Okay guys, let me try this banana milkshake. Amazing taste, wonderful. Previously I was using Jeepa's brand, which doesn't have this kind of smoothness which Clikon brand have. So I think you enjoyed this video very well, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share this channel, and also don't forget to watch my other videos which is available here, unboxing videos. For the meantime, just bye, take care and enjoy this juice.